The most recent news and information to drive up prices are included in this video. To avoid missing anything, be sure to watch the entire video. Welcome to XRP Insider, the leading cryptocurrency news outlet. If you are curious about XRP in general, the place for you is here. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to keep informed of all the XRP news forecasts and to stay one step ahead in the cryptocurrency industry. Be sure to do so now. You can also click the like button and enable post notifications to receive updates on new XRP news. Let's look at the chart and see what is happening with the price of XRP on September 27th before we go on to our first topic. With a $2.3 billion 24-hour trading volume today, the price of XRP is 48 cents, up 2.5% over the previous day, and up 23% over the previous 7 days. If you're wanting to buy or sell XRP, KuCoin, eToro, and GateHub are some of the busiest exchange websites. There are 100 billion total and 48 billion circulation XRP coins available. Okay, let's go on and stop wasting time. Let's get started. XRP is currently at a 13-month high and is close to surpassing Bitcoin. In 2012, Ripple launched its cryptocurrency. The company advertises a settlement time of 3 to 5 seconds for XRP users to support its payment options. According to its website, it was created to be a better Bitcoin than any other digital asset, faster, cheaper, and greener. For clients of Ripple's, XRP offers inexpensive cross-border payments and microtransactions because it was especially created with real-world applications in mind. The price of XRP in 2022 began at $0.8313 and fell to a low of $0.5587 on January 24, 2022. XRP rose to $0.91 on February 8 as cryptocurrency prices collapsed, but was unable to sustain the gains and fell back to $0.6 on February 24 when financial markets crashed in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The price of XRP increased to $0.9081 on March 28, but has since been unable to hold that level, drifting downward to the $0.56 mark. On May 8, the cost decreased to $0.385 per unit. The collapse of the Terra cryptocurrency tokens UST and Luna on May 12 caused a collapse in the cryptocurrency markets. In July, the price of XRP spiked and then dropped 3 times. For the first time since June 10, XRP surpassed the $0.40 level on July 30. However, it was unable to remain there and fell back to roughly $0.37 in August's first week. However, it was still an increase over the $0.31 in early July. On sustained hope for a potential settlement between Ripple, a blockchain payment company based in San Francisco, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the price of XRP surged sharply versus Bitcoin. In other words, in order to avoid a trial, the court and SEC agreed to utilize the facts at hand to determine by December 2022 if the blockchain company improperly raised money by selling XRP. Since Ripple filed for legal protection, the price of XRP has increased by almost 75% and 60% in relation to Bitcoin and the dollar, respectively, driven by hope for a potential Ripple victory. After Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse made the same suggestion during a recent interview with Fox Business on September 22, the buying increased even further. It seems that traders have been purchasing the rumor in the lead-up to the Ripple versus SEC verdict, which will happen in the future. However, whether this will ultimately result in selling the news is still uncertain. Depending on the decision, XRP technical indicators point to a probable correction. Notably, in comparison to Bitcoin and the dollar, XRP has already reached overbought levels. On September 23, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for XRP and BTC almost reached 85, exceeding the 70 overbought level that often signals the start of a significant price fall or consolidation. If you're still watching, you can support the channel by giving this video a like and subscribe. Also, remain tuned to the channel so you won't miss anything. Let's stop wasting time now. Let's watch the remainder of the video. Don't be overconfident, advises Deaton, as the court might not fully accept Ripple arguments against Section. You are perhaps overconfident if you believe that Judge Torres will unquestioningly accept the justification presented in Ripple's request for summary judgment. Stated Deaton. It is one thing, in Deaton's opinion, to assert that the SEC cannot demonstrate that XRP is a security. It is a different argument, then, when they believe that Judge Torres will fully accept the Ripple's contention and rule in the blockchain company's favor. He cited the defendant's position in Ripple's, where they contended that there must be an underlying contract between the seller and the customer before the Howey test can be applied. According to an excerpt from the Howey case, a contract transaction or scheme whereby a person invests their money in a common venture and is led to expect returns only from the promoters or a third party's efforts is considered an investment contract for purposes of the Securities Act. Deaton supports his assertions. Be aware that the Securities and Exchange Commission might base its defense on Howey's use of simple language. On the basis of this, the securities authorities may assert that the offering is not required by law to constitute the basis for an underlying contract because of the straightforward manner in which he refers to a contract transaction or scheme. The inventor of crypto law also mentioned that the SEC might concentrate on the scheme component of our argument that the development of XRP and Ripple's efforts to increase the value of the cryptocurrency are all components of a scheme. I'm simply giving you information that the SEC is likely to assert. It doesn't necessarily follow that I support it or that it will be a success. Occasionally, when I present the SEC case, some individuals understand it incorrectly. Demon added the attorney. For Judge Torres to fully concur with Ripple's position in the summary judgment motion, according to Deaton, she would imply that her fellow Judge Castile made a mistake in his decision regarding the Telegram v. SEC case. Judge Castile was incorrect in his judgment about Telegram since, unfortunately, Telegram involves genuine contracts. For the judge to accept Ripple's case, she will have to concede that her esteemed colleague was mistaken. This is the reason I mentioned that the motion filed by Ripple's was written in the style of an appellate brief to the Second Circuit or the Supreme Court. Because all recent Second Circuit decisions contained actual contracts, as per Ripple's brief, Ripple's motion concentrates on that circuit as it should. Additionally, Deaton's argument in support of its request for summary judgment would be readily accepted by the Supreme Court or the Second Circuit. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you soon on the most popular cryptocurrency news channel, XRP Insider. Bye.